50 cake. Hello and welcome to today's tutorial where we will be decorating our buttercream covered cake. I'm your host Yvette from Enchanted Cakes by Yvette. Whether you're new to caking or have been in business for a while, we're here to share all our insider tips to make your caking journey that little bit easier. Now before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button and follow along with us. For today's tutorial, you will need your buttercream covered cake, which has been chilled, your acrylic topper, and also your florals. We are using artificial florals today, which have been washed, dried, and taped onto food-safe wire so we can arrange them safely. We like to place the florals on one side and cascade them down the front of the cake, then also towards the center of the cake and balance it out with the cake topper. As all our florals have been pre-prepped, it's quite quick to come together. Make sure you stand back and evaluate your design as you go and adjust the florals and foliage if necessary. Have fun creating yours. Now before you go, remember to hit that subscribe button so you never miss our episodes. See you next time and happy caking!